Have you ever wondered why Lake Shasta, for example, is very full, while other lakes such as Folsom Reservoir or Oroville don't have a lot of water? Well, I came to the right person. I am with Bair, and he's going to explain why different lakes have different water levels. So, why are we seeing Shasta relatively full while others are not?
So Shasta and Folsom Reservoir are federal project reservoirs. Oroville is a state water project reservoir. And each year, the operators of those reservoirs get together and look at an annual operating plan. What's driving the releases from those three reservoirs in a year like this is really the rearing of juvenile salmon below Shasta. Because they had 2 years of fairly poor survival, they're wanting to be very protective of those winter run salmon this year. When they do that, they try to make the water very cold. Well, as you can imagine, there's a limited supply of cold water behind Shasta. That small pool has to be released slowly throughout the summer. And what happens is if you limit the releases from Shasta, our largest reservoir, the others have to make up that water and they get drained.
Okay, so that makes sense because water's not coming from Shasta, therefore it has to come from somewhere else, and
That's
that's why
right.
you're seeing those water levels go down.
Yeah, that's exactly correct. So the first thing that happens is that water is made up at the other federal project at Folsom Reservoir, and then actually in years like this, it's made up from Oroville Reservoir as well through borrowing from the state and federal projects. They account for that borrowing and then make up that water later.